Imagine a day that starts with insight, connection, and an opportunity to uplift your organization's compliance standards. Welcome to JumpStart Your Day with Focus-Driven Compliance Advisors, a breakfast meet. Meet our partners, Drs. Lyman, Montgomery, and Lilian Williams. We excel in site assessments, policy creation, operational improvements, and pioneering HR solutions. See us as your beacon in the complex compliance maze. With our point of contact, custom training, diligent tracking, and effective compliance control, we raise bar. We strive to surpass, not just meet the industry standards. This is your chance to equip your organization with vital knowledge and resources. We are here to turn you into avenues for enhancement. With Focus-Driven Compliance Advisors, LLC, we seek to foster an environment where compliance is not seen as a burden, but as an opportunity for betterment. Come, be part of a session where learning meets interaction. Let's turn the complex into comprehensible, the challenging into achievable. Click the link to register.